Hello viewers, welcome back to Ramanujam B classes. I was busy somewhere, so today we are going to start chapter 6 that of NCRT, and that chapter is about triangles, similar triangles. In previous class you might have studied congruent triangles. Now you know that congruent triangles are triangles having the same shape as well as same size. Two figures having same shape and same size, they are said to be congruent. And you know the symbol of congruence is its composition of two symbols, equality as well as similarity. In this chapter we shall highlight concept of similarity. See, a circle is similar to circle, a square is similar to square. They are similar but they are not congruent. You know, in case of congruency, two objects must be having same shape as well as same size. You can see very easily from these two figures, this one is smaller and this one is bigger. The same is the case of the squares. This one is smaller square and this one is a larger square. So these figures are said to be similar. This is the notation for similarity. Notation for similarity. So equilateral triangle. You know, in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and each angle is measure of 60 degree. See, this is an equilateral triangle. This one is also an equilateral triangle. This triangle has each angle that of 60 degree. Same is the case with this triangle. Each angle is 60 degree. So both triangles are said to be similar, not congruent. They will be congruent if the length of this side as well as this one is same, this side as well as this one is same, this side and this as well as same. So two things come into existence. What are the conditions for similarity? First one is angle similarity. When we consider triangles, if two angles of one triangle are equal to corresponding two angles of another triangle, then triangles are said to be similar. Second case arises is side similarity. It means this condition, side, these sides should be in the same ratio. This is proportionality. This upon this base upon this base, and this side upon this side. This side similarity means sides of a triangle must be in the same ratio. If sides are in the same ratio, then triangles are said to be similar. So you are supposed to keep these concepts in your mind as far as similarity is concerned. See, two figures are congruent. Two figures we have considered, two figures are congruent. They are similar, no doubt, but it is not always necessary that if triangles are similar, then it doesn't mean that these triangles will be congruent. May or may not be. So this is the situation of similarity. This situation of similarity, and further we shall do in next video. We are going to discuss some theorems based on the concept of congruency and similarity as well. I think you might have got it. Enjoy this, and we shall continue do the chapter 6 continuously. Keep on watching so that you can have some idea, grasp the concept of this particular chapter. As far as your final examination are concerned, this one is very important for you. Okay, good luck. Enjoy this video.